Hey guys, welcome back to Winging It. Today I'm gonna make a buffalo staple. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Western New York, and I'm gonna make a little beef on weck. But here's the thing, I wanted to make my own roast beef, and I couldn't find any. I don't know how to pronounce what the roll that you're supposed to use is. I'm not gonna try it because that would be really racist. So what we're gonna do is, if you didn't know, that roll that a beef on weck is supposed to come on is just a Kaiser roll with caraway seeds and kosher salt on it. I'm not gonna put those on it, but I do have Kaiser rolls. It is currently 1:30 in the afternoon, and I have to be leaving to go to a 4th of July party at 5. So let's get cooking. Okay, so you guys might not know this, Walmart doesn't carry really nice cuts of beef. So what I have here is I have a rump roast. Only thing I could find there. It's gonna be tough when we eat it because I'm cooking it so fast and it's not the right roast, but I'm just gonna cut it thinner. So let's see if it works. I'm gonna throw some avocado oil on there, black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder. Then we'll throw her in the oven. I have the oven going to 350 just because on how little time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get it up to 115, and then I'm going to wrap it. I might throw a little bit of the au jus in there, and then we're gonna let that go for 30 minutes while I get everything else ready. So we are going to use I don't need the temperature probe right off the bat. Sort of know how long it's gonna take. It's gonna take almost all the time I have. But putting it in there never hurt anyone. I'm gonna go this cookie sheet with, I do want to go with that. Cookie sheet with a rack. It does usually say go like that. Dude, I think I'm gonna throw it in right now. Just because of how little time we have, I think. Oh, my oven smells so bad. My oven smells so bad. In the oven. All right, let's get this cleaned so my mom doesn't yell at me. Step number 2, au jus. Brain fart, all good. It smells like something is burning in my oven. I know I should clean it, but I don't have time for that. Au jus. Now, au jus is drippings. Drippings, some bouillon, some broth in there with some aromatics, some alliums if you will, and then going. I'm gonna put some of the drippings in after. Probably won't have enough, probably won't have that many. That's why it's elevated though. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw some garlic and onions in a pan. Get a little bit of fond. These are non-stick pans, not gonna be too much of a fond. But just to get the flavor, get them, I'm so fucking stupid. Get them nice and fragranced. And then what we're gonna do, throw the broth in there, you know, some salt and pepper, get that going. And then once it's all good, we'll throw a little bit of browning sauce in there. Gets it dark, gets everything going. All right, time for a little history lesson. Beef on weck, a Buffalo, New York specialty, is a sandwich featuring thinly sliced roast beef on a Kummelweck roll, typically served with horseradish and au jus for dipping. While the exact origin is debated, it is widely believed to have originated in the late 1800s, brought to the area by German immigrants. The Weck roll, a Kaiser roll topped with kosher salt and caraway seeds, is the key to the sandwich's unique flavor and texture. Forget those seeds. I'm not doing that. So, there you go. No one knows. Came to Buffalo, New York, though. So that's what we're doing because I rep Western New York. You got garbage plates, salt potatoes. I guess that's just like a New York thing, salt potatoes. Buffalo wings. A lot more, but that's what we're gonna be cooking here on Winging It. Repping Western New York. I'm not a Bills fan though. Screw them. They're not nice people. What's this? Oh shit. I don't know why, but there's like a tray of pre-cut onions on this counter. I'm gonna use them though. Don't know what they're here from. Update, I don't have any garlic. So we're just going onion. So I like to strain my au jus before I put it in the dish. Some people like the chunks. I don't really care. That's why you don't really need to worry about how your onion's chopped up. Cause I'm just gonna throw it through a sieve anyways. So we're all good. All right. How's your guys' day going? Mine fucking sucked, dude. I got out of work an hour late, and then my boss tried to keep me to work even more, and I had to go to Walmart. Oh my God, Walmart was a madhouse. I mean, I guess everyone must have got their check. That's why, you know, was it July? It's July 3rd. Everyone got their check, so everyone's at Walmart. It's times like this, like parts like this where I'm like, what do I do? Like I'm just standing here. I know we're gonna cut and like go like an hour from now once I get this done, but I'm just a girl. I mean, I'm a boy. You know what I mean. Yeah, 4th of July party tonight. I got a pretty sick outfit planned out. We'll see. It's gonna scream white guy, but it's good for me because I usually just wear like a black t-shirt or like a button down and shorts. So, a little bit of depth to it. I'll put a picture, you know, here, and we'll be all good. Hopefully there's some, you know, hot looking ladies there that, you know, want to talk to me. Cause I'm not gonna fuck talk to them. Why do they have a pour there if it never works? It never works. You always end up spilling some. Oh, this is brand new. I like Weiler's Bouillon. Weiler's Bouillon has monosodium glutamate in it, so it tastes better. All right, well, beef's in the oven. The bouillon's being made. Just gotta keep stirring it, let it simmer, get all the flavors introduced, and then, you know, just let it simmer for a little bit. I mean, I sort of jumped the gun. I didn't really start making it yet. Got 75 degrees left on the beef, and then we'll take her out. So I'll see you guys in a couple hours. I don't know why I have such stupid ideas like this, because I'm like, oh shit, I gotta get a video out this week. I'm not gonna have any time. You chose to remodel a house, but you also want to post a video a week. Like anyone's ever gonna watch this damn video. You know? No one's gonna watch this video. It's gonna get nothing. But I'm dedicated. One video a week, I'm telling you. Yeah, here's the deal. So I have so much time just sitting here, I'm gonna make a little creamy horseradish sauce. So traditionally, it's just like a regular horseradish, but I did buy the regular horseradish. I'm just gonna go the extra step and I'm gonna make it nice and fancy. So we don't use recipes here, but it's not that hard. Sour cream, apple cider vinegar, some Worcestershire, and some horseradish. I did just buy this horseradish. We just gotta test out how hot it is. So we'll get a nice little clump. Yeah, that's good horseradish. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Sour cream in the bowl. We'll just finish my mom's sour cream in the bowl. Worcestershire, really strong. Don't add too much. A little bit. Apple cider vinegar, same thing. You don't want it to be too vinegary. Add a little bit of that. And then we'll add probably way too much horseradish because I like the spice. Damn, it's still... I get, you know, there's a lot in there, but... Do you guys know that horseradish only has a shelf life of like a week? And then on top of that, you're supposed to store it upside down. Keep it in your head. I know what I'm gonna do. I guess we have the whole jar. It's so thin. Oh my God. Nope, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, temp check, 65 degrees. We've been in there for 40 minutes. No, that'll work. That'll work. Okay, we're done. With this part at least. Now, so I don't know if this does anything, but I feel like injecting it with the au jus. There's no drippings on there. I hope that the warmth of the juices sort of breaks down that the fibers. I'm gonna let this rest for half an hour. I'm just gonna go one more. So, that's hot. I did run out of good aluminum foil, so I have this really junky stuff mixed with some aluminum foil sheets. So we have these expensive ass pre-cut sheets. Uh-oh. But we should be airtight now. So it's gonna continue cooking. It's gonna bring it up to medium rare to rare. It's at 115 now. Hopefully it'll bring it up to about 125. All right, got it all sliced. Let's get her assembled. So I just got some Kaiser rolls, and they're not split. All right, Kaiser roll down. And of course I ran out of storage on that memory card, and I'm not going upstairs to get another one. So let's get her all assembled. A little iPhone selfie action. So I got my horsey sauce on there. I did put it on both sides. What we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some beef on there. It's real simple. So here we go. Couple of nice shots. So I just cut her in half. Oh yeah. And then what you do, it's sort of like a French dip, I guess, without the caraway seeds. It basically is just a French dip. Dipped right in there, and then so it actually came out pretty good. For making the roast beef in 2 hours, that came out real good. I made good timing. It's 3:15, so not even 2 hours. I'll take it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, show me some love. You know, hit the like button, maybe subscribe, whatever you want to do. New videos every week. See ya.